Welcome. In front of me is an iPad Pro 11 from 2021, and today I'll show you how to record screen on this device. So to get started, we'll need to add the toggle to our control center, so right here. And to do so, you want to go into the settings, scroll down to control center, right over here, and then find the toggle somewhere in the disabled section. So for me it's right here, screen recording, click on the plus, and there we go. Now if you pull it down, you can see it's right over here. So from here, all you need to do is click on the toggle. It will start the countdown from 3 and then start recording, which you can see right over here. And whatever you will do right now will be recorded. Now once you're done with it, tap on it again to stop the recording. And from here you can find the recording in your gallery or photos application. So let's open it up and go to videos, and there it is. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.